live streaming on YouTube. Let me see if select the stream. Okay. Now let me check the stream audio. Hopefully everything is good. Live on YouTube right now. Hopefully I don't have one of them problems like yesterday. Share my screen with y'all real quick. Alright, boom, bam, boom. And we are live. Let's see what's up. Hopefully I don't have one of them problems like yesterday. Share my screen with y'all real quick. Alright, boom, bam, boom. And we are live. Let's see what's up. We don't have one of them problems like yesterday. Fuck. I'm still getting that echo from you like yesterday. Hold on. Maybe if I turn it all the way to USB like that. Shit, weak. Fuck. I'm still getting that echo from you like yesterday. Hold on. Maybe if I turn it all the way to USB like that. Shit, weak. Let me go back to the OBS real quick. Got 11 minutes to get it right. Maybe if I turn that other mic output, should be tricky. Let me go back to the OBS real quick. Got 11 minutes to get it right. Maybe because I was in studio mode, I didn't even know. Maybe if I turn that other mic output. Or was I in studio mode? Tricky. Maybe because I was in studio mode, I didn't even know. Boop, top of the AM, my good people. How y'all feeling, man? Another good day. It's Wednesday. We got to do better. I was green yesterday though, but still. Let's get it. I think I got rid of the echo. How y'all feeling, man? Another good day. It's Wednesday. We got to do better. I was green yesterday though, but still. Let's get it. I think I got rid of the echo. Where this nigga Wink at? Spade, you there? Yo, 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 yo. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. I think we're good. I think we are good. Just turn the audio off right there. What about the Discord? Y'all good? Everybody, y'all can see my screen. Y'all hear me and all that? Everything sound cool? If one of y'all can do me a solid AV, you mind checking the YouTube stream for me real quick? See how the YouTube look and sound on your end. I think we should be good though, honestly. For real, for real. Shit, I hope we good.
And I'm back. My bad, Femi.
Hey, hey, do me a solid real quick. Pull up the YouTube stream and make sure we're not getting no like 10-second delay echo like a double of the voice. Make sure it ain't no echo coming through.
Okay.
I don't hear it on I don't hear it on my end, but shit, I wasn't hearing that shit like that yesterday neither. I'm just trying to make sure we got 6 minutes until the open. My swing trades is doing pretty good. I ended up towards the end of the day, I had grabbed the QUBT contract as well. That's the only one that's down, but I think QUBT is up in the pre-market. Oh yeah, they up about 3% in the pre-market. So I should be Gucci on that. SoFi is up 3% in the pre-market. And Lyft is up 1% in the pre-market. So my swing trades are looking good right now. Looking pretty decent.
Yeah. I'll be getting in them bitches too.
Yeah, man. Shit. I got them till one I got until January. And then the other one I got until June of next year. So I got hella time. And then QUBT I think I got until January as well. So I got 2 out until January, and then the Lyft. I believe the Lyft is the one
This
that's
is
out
hard.
till June.
500 is live.
Let me see. Let me see.
Put my microphone on.
I gotta make a thumbnail for the live. I ain't really had no thumbnail for the live. I gotta create one. I just threw the little spy hunter joint on there for now. But yeah. Now let's get into some spy analysis real quick.
I gotta make a thumbnail for the live. I ain't really had no thumbnail for the live. I gotta create one.
Is that your mic? That's you watching the YouTube right now, or is that feedback?
A little delayed.
Yeah, it's gonna be delayed on YouTube. It's like a few seconds. You feel me? But
Yeah.
I just don't want to hear no echo. You ain't hear no echo on there.
No echo. It's just delayed.
All right, for sure, for sure. Cool, cool, good looking. So let's see what the 1 hour is looking like. I'm gonna draw my 1 hour trend line to the upside, starting down here at 669.66. Get rid of this orb line from yesterday. Get rid of this. Boop out. That really should be there.
I wrote it.
Like, not good.
Too many lines. We got a downward trend going. I'm gonna draw another downward trend line, tighten it up a little bit from this point to that point right there.
Yeah, I haven't created none of my weak bullshit.
Okay. So this my analysis on the 1 hour. We are right up under the 200 EMA on the 1 hour, which is also the current trend line. So if we break that, we should be going to the upside. But if we get rejected, we'll come back down to at least like 678, 679. Let me drop. Let me see. I think the 4 hour should look about the same. Yeah, the 4 hours is pretty much the same trend lines as the 1 hour. And then on the 15, so when we get down to the nitty gritty, I could draw a sharper trend line on the 15, but nah, I'm gonna leave it how it is. Right now, I don't want to see no VWAP. No VWAP. I got my volume. Yeah. And we live in 2 minutes. The market opens in 2 minutes. Let everybody know we live. Honestly, right now, it's looking like a put, Malcolm, but you got to be patient. Be patient with the market and see what it do. Now, honestly, but we did get, I seen Yahoo Finance said we got 68,000 new jobs was added to the market, which beat expectations. But, the market is funny. Like, they don't want people to have jobs. They want the rates to get cut and all of that. So for that to happen, the economy gotta be doing kind of bad. They don't even want you to have no job. It's gonna affect their bottom line. So we gotta really be mindful of that and see what it do.
I think it might you see the daily trend?
The daily trend line.
About to make almost an A++ to the downside. Almost. Try to come up and touch it.
Yeah, I see it.
On the daily.
We live, y'all. We are live. I just dropped down to the 5 minute. I'm on the 5 minute. What the VIX looking like? Ooh, look at my swing trades. I'm up $24, $29 on Lyft, 23 on SoFi, $1 on QUBT. They all green.
Yeah.
Now let me switch to my cash account for my daily SPY trades. Yeah. Drop it down to the 2 minute right now. Okay. All right. We got some movement towards the upside, but it got absorbed. And today is March 4th. So the pre-market high It's right here where we at right now. We right up under the pre-market high. Horizontal line. Poop out. It's my pre-market high right there. Pre-market low.
We got 3 minutes left. Just 15 minutes squabbling here.
I don't know.
It's a
It's
double.
looking kind of choppy.
Yeah.
How the EMAs is looking on the 2 minute. It's irregular. I would have liked to see them close, like start at a pinch and then start to gradually open, but it pinched, open, pinched again. Now it's back open. So just be aware that we might be in for a choppy situation.
Yep. That's why I waited. I was looking at the 15 too. That shit is I don't see nothing promising yet.
Roll call. We got up in here. 200, Isan, Beezy, B-Mob, Danny HQ, Garcia, Isha, Jason, Malcolm, My Bread, Pragmatic, Rexcon, Rolling Joy, Sheen Season, Spade, and V. Top of it, my good peoples. Top of it. You know, we up in here. Netflix doing pretty good too. They going up. My whole little watch list is green though. That's pretty good.
I think it might come.
Definitely green though. Let me see. We low-key got rejected off the pre-market high, but it's going back up to retest it again. See what it do.
I think it's gonna come down. I think it's gonna be choppy for this whole 15 minutes though.
You said on the headphones, you only hear on the right side? Okay. Let me see. How about now? Oh. Yeah, I just I thought that was might be calling the echo. Let me see. Properties. I might have to. Put both of them at input 1. Oh, you should hear me on both sides now, V.
Here it comes. Under that trend line again, it was just a wait.
Okay, now fixed. Okay, so I had to put the both stereo channels to the same input. I don't know why they got it set up like that, but yeah. All right, should be solid now. Let me know if you start hearing that echo again, though.
I should have waited for it to come back.
Okay, we got our we got our first 5-minute orb. Let me see. Let me mark that out real quick. And we didn't broke below that already.
I'm in there.
Just
The toes already almost at 30%.
Hopped at a put off the
Yeah.
pre-market rejection. Nice move. I am keying up a put right now. Let me take a look at that John right there.
I'm already up 30%.
Man, recently viewed.
Tapped out. Up them.
Nice work, Spade.
Read the volume, was patient, pushed it back to the 15 minutes, seen that bitch flip over and did it.
Oh, that was the wrong. That was Netflix.
Took 16%. I could have took more.
I just pulled up the 677 put. That's what I'm watching right now. I'm gonna see if it's gonna pass this break and retest. That's the one
I'm
you
about to get
had?
back in with my. Yep. I'm about to get back in with this little $17. That's what I got left. Buying power.
Oh no. It then came back inside the orb now.
I'm gonna wait because the way the volume's looking on the 15, but I'm pretty much I'm saying I'm just gonna use the $17 for another play. So I see which way I want to go. So I don't want to hop in on. I'm gonna be patient. Don't wait these next 6 minutes out. But I think it's finna dump.
And we appears to be passing the retest and wait a little bit. We still got a minute left on this candle.
Finna do it.
Oh no, I don't see enough value.
Oh, you looking at that 15?
No, I'm looking at the 2. I'm definitely on the 2.
Okay. You have insufficient funds.
Yeah, see, it's going back up. It didn't have enough value on that move to the downside. But it ain't over. Got 20 more seconds. Let's see how it finish.
I see a bunch of value on 15. Hopped on that bitch. 6 minutes left.
Alright. And I just hopped in a put. Okay.
Yeah.
It passed the retest. I like the way that was looking. And I'm up 5%, 9%, 7%.
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting for my entry. Take profit set to 30%. That's my default. And we going. We are going.
Yeah. You see all that? Boy, look at that 15, brother. Look at that value. Yeah, look at that big ass value candle. Oh, I got in.
It always look like that when the market opens straight.
Motherfucker's chunky, boy. It don't always look like that. That motherfucker.
I'm up 11%.
Yeah, I'm up another 15%. This little $17 contract.
Oh, it got real volatile. What's going on?
It's this, what's it called? Level is at.
Super volatile right now.
Level right there.
The value is picking up though.
Gonna break it. It's and why can I zoom in? Oh, it's that 668.40.
Oh, it's going.
Here it is. Broke it. Now we gotta get to 679.91. Break that.
Yeah, I'm moving mine. Stop in the profit. Hold on. Okay, I just locked in some profit.
$1.
I just got stopped out. I took a small win. That was only 3%. Fuck. That was only 3%. I should have left my stop there. Yeah, it's finna dump. I gotta get back in.
I can't now. Only got $1. Shit.
Nah, I wasn't slippage. Damn, how much I got left now?
Damn, look at that motherfucker.
I got $100. Alright. Well, I can't get this contract no more. I gotta switch cons. Switch cons real quick.
I do not want to miss this move. Nigga, this is a move. It's finna, boy.
Hopping back in.
Yeah, I whooped him, but yeah.
I'm gonna let this one cook though.
Nigga, I could have been in here. I could have got my whole account back off this shit. I got in way up there off the wick. I traded the extreme because I seen it. Entry was perfect. Damn, look at that. I'm getting cold at this round.
This is my second trade. No, it wasn't slippage. It was just me trying to lock in some profits.
Pull back, don't worry about it. Just strong. Now in the 5 minute, it's slowing down.
Still got a minute left on it.
Hey, I got my green check though.
We still going down. You know how they do? I got one green check. It wasn't 10%. I'm gonna hold off on that. It was a light little 3%.
Too good. Up to 150. I would have whooped them. I'm getting better now reading this shit. A lot better.
I don't even want my stop in the play right now.
Well, Rex brother.
Tight stops versus wide stops. It's because they hunt out your stops. So smart money knows stops are sitting right outside of key levels, outside of orbs, outside of trend lines, and outside of EMAs. So what they'll do is they'll make price go far enough to absorb your orders and force a stop, and then they'll reverse it after they'll buy them for a discount after they force it. You know what I'm saying? They make you think your contract has no value, and then they come in and buy it up for cheap, and then it goes back up higher than what it was. It's manipulation. I'm up 6%. But you got to be careful because it's not always manipulation. Sometimes it'll be a real reversal, and if you thinking every time it's manipulation, then that's when you lose money. So you gotta know when it's a real move and when it's a pump fake. And the volume is how you tell that if it's a real move or a pump fake. Like it's getting real volatile right here.
Nigga, for sure, seen that was a real move.
So they trying to push it back up. The volume candles is getting smaller and smaller on the 2. So they might be trying to reverse it. But I'm thinking this is probably a major a retest of the 200 EMA in the bottom of orb. So you can ride it out through the retest, the second retest, or you can get scared and leave the trade. But this is just, to me, this is a retest of the 200 EMA on the 2 minute, which is sitting right here at about 680.85. But we need to get back below 680 50-cent level in order to keep going down. That 50-cent level is key.
Volume got shit. See, you can see that move. Yep. And it's at the bottom of the Keltner. That's crazy. See it.
And
I would have got back in on the upside looking at that shit. I had a chicken. I seen it. It was slowing down. And the volume candle on the 15-minute is nothing there. So that shit's just floating back to the top. There aren't any sellers present right.
we should get a rejection right here off the bottom of orb. And yeah, it's rejecting off the bottom of orb like I presumed, and it's coming back down. See, everyone that got scared and jumped out of their play, out of their puts, they just lost bread right now. That was the pump fake. Yeah, a wider stop with a smaller size is advisable in order to catch those bigger moves, because you don't never want to over leverage and have too much out there overexposed. So if you do a smaller size, then you have more flexibility, so you can move your stop wider and not get stopped out. See, I would have got stopped out if I had a tight stop, but it's still going down. That was a lot of absorption. And then once we get this 20 EMA to cross this 200 to the downside, that's when it's going to flush. You see this 20 EMA is getting closer and closer to this purple one. This red one is getting close to this purple, this 200. So we can get that to cross to the downside. We see a nice flush. That's what I'm expecting. Oh, they're trying to stop me out. They don't have enough liquidity. I almost kind of don't want no stop right now, but I ain't gonna do that. Let me draw this trend line, safety line. Yeah, we need to get back below this 200 EMA though, for real. And we doing it. Come on, Bears, sock them in the mouth, Bears. Let's go.
There's no value for them to keep going.
All right, we back below the 200 EMA, and we are back below my red trend line. So we looking good on the put still. Let's see what this next candle do right here. The last two candles had a lot of absorption from the top side, so now they good to go back down. I hope we get a nice little move right here on either this candle or the next 2 minute candle. We do not need to go back above this 200 EMA at all.
Wait, that's hella absorption up there.
Nice work, Wink. We can spade with the green checks.
Shit, brother.
I did take a green check. It was only 3% on my first trade, but fuck it, shit. Green is green, right? Green is green. It's finna flush though.
It is. Look at that absorption. This is round 2. Yep. I'm glad I'm here for it. I put in $20. That was only a dubber. Only a dubber.
I'm not trying to be greedy. 92 cent, 02, 12, 22.
So this level is very strong. I should have waited for it to break.
Oh, it's trying to get back above that 200 EMA, but I don't think it's gonna be able to do it.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
shit.
value.
Yeah, the volume is going down. I don't know. Because it's right there. It's a squabble, though. Definitely a squabble at the 200.
No, that shit going down.
But that red 20 EMA is getting closer and closer to the crossing that 200. That's what I'm looking at. We cross that, we should get a nice little flush on me. It should happen in like the next 6 minutes or so. 4 minutes. Adjust that trend line. Don't like the way this is. Well, it ain't got no volume though. The volume bar is getting smaller and smaller as it tries to go up. That's how I know it's gonna come back down. Once once we start seeing a change of direction. Once the red candles start coming back, then you're gonna see the volume start picking up. Because as long as we've been having these little green candles, the volume been going down. That's how I know it's not a real reversal. It's just a pullback. If it had real value behind it, then it would be a real reversal. You know what I'm saying? But it don't. So let's just gotta wait it out. Yeah.
Just to see how much gas they got. The highest they gonna get right here. But they ain't this rich. And the 15 minutes show everything. Might break past it actually now.
Let's take a peek at the 5 minute real quick. Yeah, we got low volume. They ain't got no value to the upside. I think
it's lower and lower.
If you look at the 20 EMA on the 5 minute chart, it's pushing it back down. Yep, right back under the orb. This is the retest on a larger time frame. It does not appear to be going any higher.
They're getting exhausted. The 15, I was like, that bitch really telling nigga everything. It's creating a slow trend.
Alright, son, what you mean? You hit yourself in the head. Setting up a 682 put, then you hit yourself in the head. What you mean?
Yeah, but
you got out of that motherfucker, or you jumped to the call instead? Okay. We're getting rejected off the 20 EMA. He got TKO'd. Technical knockout.
yeah,
Here come the flush, y'all. That was the retest. Come on. We need to flush right past this 200. Let this 20 EMA cross it. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice flush to the downside. I'm just waiting on it.
You got 4 minutes left.
you act like he was buying a put and then walked away. I mean, you still got action. We barely finna break the 200 EMA right now. This is really the good entry. This is a better retest.
Perfect.
Yeah. I wish I would have got in. Oh, they trying to test that 20 one more time.
It's 3 minutes left. This shit finna come down.
It's getting ready to flush, y'all. Let me take a look at this 1 hour real quick.
That's the one I haven't checked the bigger time.
Okay, so on the 1 hour, we got absorption at the bottom. It's getting absorbed. It's bouncing from the top side of the 20 EMA. Damn. So let's check out the 15. On the 15, we are below the 20 EMA, trying to push back above it. We're being held down by the 20 and the bottom of orb. And then on a 10-minute, same issue. We're below it. Yeah, so on the smaller time frames, we below the 20, but on the 1 hour, we are above the 20.
We got a doji on the 1 hour, but there was a up going up before we got that doji. Pray from the reverse. And it is a red doji. It's not an absorption doji, but it is a red one.
Drop back down to the 2. Yeah, I just keep seeing that 20 EMA and that 200 getting closer and closer and closer on that 2 minute. They about to cross. And when they do, it's going to flush. We just started a new 2-minute candle. I need this one to show me something. Here come the dumpers, y'all. If you are not in a put, you might want to consider grabbing one. This is a good entry point. I'm not going to hold you. I wish I would have got in right here. Yeah, but they squabbling. Ain't got no value. Here it comes. It's getting ready to flush. I see it. Come on, Bears. Where the fuck y'all at? Where the Bears at? Come on. Oh, no, don't do that. Don't fucking do that. Son of a bitch. Damn, excuse my language. I be forgetting nigga on YouTube now. They more stricter. We ain't got no regulations in Discord. Own server. Damn, they really did not want to let that happen. That's crazy. They gonna push it back to the upside. Wow. Man. It's and we're getting absorbed. It's pushing it back down. Damn. Don't need that funky ass trend line no more. It's finna go back up and try to probably retest the pre-market high. We gonna see right here, the volume starting to pick back up. If we can get some volume and get this to wick back down, then we'll get our flush. There it go. This is why I use a wider stop, because they keep doing stuff like this. Okay. We fighting back. Bears is socking them in the mouth right now. Fufang, fufaka, fufing. Got a lot of absorption. It's wicking back down. That's why I didn't get out of the trade. That's exactly why I stayed put. I seen the setup. I'm like, yeah, they finna go back up, grab some more liquidity, and then push it down. Yep. Whole lot of volume, no movement. Here come the flush, y'all. Here comes the flush. Yes, indeed. It's coming. We got volume now. The volume is back. As we go down, the volume has picked back up on the way down. Yes, indeed. Haha. Yeah. Here come that flush. Who else got puts right now? Put a P in the chat if you got a put right now.
Oh, I've been talking the whole time, nigga. I said, I watched it too. It's no value. I've been making analysis with you, nigga. But yeah, it's no, yeah.
Yeah, you seen that shit? The volume picked up when it started coming back down. They absorbed all that shit.
Nigga, I've been watching it on the 15. That shit is I stayed in it the whole time too. I wasn't even tripping off that. My bad.
Oh,
You
yeah.
right, V.
You right. You right. Got it. That's right, Danny. You got that good put, huh? Yeah, it's put season. Off this long wick with this volume, we should get a nice flush. Oh, they trying to fight back this last 20 seconds of this fire. Come on.
This is the second round of the 15, brother. It's 13 seconds left. This round, the buyer's trying to just step back in a little bit, throw a few punches, but I'm not convinced. The volume is so low. The niggas throwing pillows. The peoples, my bad. We're on YouTube.
Them people throwing pillows. They pillow fighting up there. Yeah, I got it early too, Danny. I'm down, I'm down 52%. And it's still trying to go up? Is you serious? Come on, flash for us. Stop playing.
I got in really early too. But the volume is just getting lower and lower and lower.
Nice work. You took 19% on the call. Nice work.
Shit.
Oh, on the put? Oh, okay. Oh, you caught that one candle. Nice work.
That's the first candle I caught too.
Come on, man. Stop playing.
They having a hard time.
Yeah, they ain't got enough liquidity. They still trying to gather some more orders up.
They're staying under my daily trend and my 15. They're just trying to grab some orders, but they keeping their ass up under them trends.
Yeah, well, on the 2, we done made our way back above the 20. We retesting it and got rejected. They trying to push it up. They trying. Ain't no value now.
Yeah, they are. Exactly, they're exhausted.
Yeah. It's gonna run up and fall hard too. Watch. It was a failed bearish move though.
Mm-hmm. Heard about that. But remember that value creates the price. The price creates the indicators and the patterns and all that shit. We reading it, right?
It's trying to get some value, but it's still relatively low. It ain't. It's not a whole lot. Oh yeah, we should be more than 200,000.
See it coming to this trend line. Maybe breaking up a little past it so the whales could tap a few more orders.
I think you can go as high as the top of orb and then come back down.
Got a minute left in this round. Don't break it. Bro, I waked it.
I'm down 65%. Shit. Hold on, I need to check the 15 right quick. Oh, that's a big ass green candle on the 15. Off the 200 EMA bounce. It's going up, man. I didn't blew it. I stayed in this put for too long. Damn it.
See.
I'm looking at the 15 minute now. It's not a lot of volume, but shit.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm really not too convinced. Because it's not a bunch of value. And I see the value boards declining.
Yeah.
Shit, we got in so damn early. We didn't get in exactly when it was exhausted. We got in when it started slowing down.
Yeah, well, this motherfucker's still going up. Let's see what it do at this pre-market right here. Come on, Bears. Push this shit down.
Each other. That being
Palantir doing good right now. We need another phone. ASAP.
and that'll be a triple top.
I forgot you needed my phone.
Yeah, that's a triple. Gonna go to 683.52 probably, maybe. But look like it's creating a triple top. On the 15 minute, that's a nigga. It didn't hit this 1, 2, hit 3 times.
Big K said y'all need to get out. It's trending up. Yeah, I see it. But I think we get rejected off this pre-market high. We getting some resistance now. Said better get in calls. But I'm seeing the volume pick up as it's getting rejected off the pre-market high.
Yeah, the value got higher. Sure.
Honestly, right now, Malcolm is if we break above this pre-market high, say if we get above
Oh,
683.50, then I would say call on me.
yeah.
Yeah, we gotta bounce. Yeah. Damn it. Damn it, man.
Just we can't break this level. Might triple top here. Come on, 2 minutes. Ah. Oh, it's finna go tap them orders.
It ain't got no volume though. Like, how's it steady going up with no volume?
Open road. Just so there's not enough sellers present. Niggas, how you walk the analogy you gave with the open road.
Big K said it's been trending up since pre-market. Yeah, I see that. We have been on an upward trend. And it just broke. Damn. Yeah, go ahead and grab you a call, Malcolm. I didn't got my feet whooped on this. I'm down $68 in this trade. Motherfucker. Let me see if we would have played the 15-minute orb. Would that have helped?
I'm gonna lie, I went against the trend on this next play. But I made money in the first one. Out this bitch though.
Yeah, the volume then picked up on the 15 to the upside. So yeah, calls is in play. Calls are definitely in play, motherfucker. Shit. Goddamn. We getting some absorption though on the 5. We got 42 seconds. Let me see how this ends. Oh yeah, it's ending with a doji on the 5-minute. We might get that good rejection, like I said. Yeah. Okay.
We probably went up there to tap out them damn what's it called?
You said Doge season. That was somebody's name. Who username is that? Shane. You got out that put, got into a call. We getting a doji right here though. We just got a doji on the 5-minute, so we gonna see what it do. Oh, doji season. Now I seen somebody with that username, something like that, doji something. Either like on YouTube or the Discord or something. You gonna be mad you got out that put, Danny, with this doji on the 5. This motherfucker finna come down.
Yep. It went up to 683.76 to tap the orders that was at 683.50 and 54.
Yeah. Manipulation. So it might be a rangy type of day. Unless they have a continuation off the doji, that'd be wicked. And they doing it. Shit. That's because of the larger time frames. When you see the motherfucker.
I'm not looking at those. I was looking at the 5. Let me get the 15. Yeah. The volume got higher.
For range from the YouTube. Appreciate you. He just joined the Discord. We in the live room, by the way. If you just joined in the Discord, we are in the live room.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that motherfucker still going.
I've been trying to close this damn position too, and it won't let me.
Yeah, you can't play, man. You gotta take your 10% and bounce. And it's breaking out above the orb. We gotta break out to the upside. Testing the downward trend line that I drew earlier. If we respect this trend line, we'll come back down. But smart money, they know about the trend line too, so they might have it go all the way up to like 685, just to really convince everybody, and then bring it back down. But I don't know. Let me check the 4 hour. Oh God, the 4 hour is bully. Shit. Yeah, that 4 hour bully. Let me see the 1 hour. The 1 hour is bully as well.
I got these dumbass orders, that's why. I was wondering why I couldn't get out. I didn't realize it. I've been sitting here trying to get out for a year.
And it got decent level value, even value. So it could go higher.
Yes, it is going higher. I'm out that motherfucker.
I didn't lost so much. I'm like, fuck it, I might as well. I don't know. This is where I have the biggest issues right here. Fucking holding on to these fucking losers. God damn.
I seen it at the bottom too. Keep it G.
Shit.
Boy.
Yeah, fuck. I didn't already. Shit, I only got $19 left from this motherfucker. And I just got a warning from Weebull talking about latency issues. Yeah, that's not cool either. We had somewhat of a value spike on that last 5. Let's see if we pull back. Yup. Welcome to the wealthy mindsets. You know, we trying to get it cracking. Load up. You said it's going to reject the 4 hour 200 moving average. Let me take a look at that. See what you're looking at, Big K. Big K in the YouTube. At about 686.25. I can see that happening. Honestly, if I start to see a rejection off of that 686, like 30. Let me get the exact number for you. 686.27. If we get rejected off that 686.27, I'm gonna use my change to buy one more contract. Cost average down. Oh, I only got $8. That ain't enough. It might be. Fuck it. I'm gonna put a limit order for 8. Nah, I ain't even gonna do that. Fuck that. I'm gonna just wait it out. Yeah, you talking about that 686 rejection? Yeah, I'm looking at it, Big K. I'm looking at it. Let me drop back down to the 15. Still got decent volume. Let me drop to the 5. We getting a decline in volume on the 5. Shit. We might not even make it all the way to 686. We might get slammed down right here, Big K. This might be as far as we go. And I'm not gonna be able to stay on live for a long time today. I gotta go to work early this morning. So I will be leaving in probably about 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm down 82% too, B-Mob. Shit. Down 82% on this trade. But my account is down 29%. Shit. I'm down to 160. I'm on day 8. Well, today's day 9. I should be at 235 right now. I didn't push myself back to day 5. Shit. The 15. Yeah, the 15 minute is going crazy, stupid. So it's to the point where I'm gonna be able to this is what I'm gonna do since I'm so far gone. I got $8. I'm gonna cost average down. I'm gonna grab another contract for 8 cents. That's gonna bring my average cost down to about 50 cents, down from 92 cents. And then I'm gonna wait for the reversal. I'll wait for that reversal. Just because I held it too long. So I'm gonna set a limit order for 8 cents. With no stop. And I'm getting rid of that take profit. That's obsolete. Yeah. On that 15, yeah, it's bully. It's super bully on that 15. But that should be able to tap me in for the 8 cent. Oh, you made your loss and some more? Man, nice work, Danny. Nice work. You learning, because I didn't see you hold on for dear life like I'm doing. But, leveraged a lot more. Them $700, $800 losses. Yeah, I'm proud of you. You stopped that shit. For real, for real. Oh, the call gave you 210? Nice. Real nice. Yep. Getting better and better. That's the name of the game. But we finna get a rejection. They gonna tap me in at 8 cents before we do. And then I'm gonna see what it do. I'm gonna have to post my shit later on because I gotta go to work in a little bit. Oh man. The link to the Discord, it's in the bio of the YouTube channel, Big K. Check the bio on the YouTube channel. It's right there. Or you could just go on Discord and type in Wealthy Mindsets. You should be able to find us like that too. See, my contract that came all the way down to 12 cent, 11 cent. I'm about to get tapped in real soon. I think that's going to be in perfect alignment with the rejection. I just needed to go up a little bit more. Let me get that, another 3 cent, 4 cent. Okay, we down to 10 cent. I hope it just go up a little bit more. Go to like 686.30 to where that 200 is sitting at on the 4 hour. That should be able to tap me in at 8 cent. Yeah, 39, 36, somewhere around there. Yeah, that's the 200 EMA on the 4 hour pragmatic. So we might get a cool little rejection. I see it starting to come down already. Yeah, besides that, yeah, might be a couple cents short. Ooh, shit. Yeah. Radio Titan been in here. Wink. He not new. He been in Welties. You sleep. Biggest problem holding these goddamn losers. Fuck. See, before we started incorporating the volume, I would have just seen the false breakout. I'm like, oh yeah, that's a failed bearish move, and that would have been the end of it. But trying to read the volume on top of that and be extra smart, kept a nigga in this bullshit ass trade. And we getting some resistance right here. It's sitting right at 10 cents. It's acting like you want to fucking come down. I don't want it to come down without tapping me in. Okay, I'm one. It just came to 9. They playing. Come on, tap me in. Tap me in, tap me in. Yo, on the 15 minute, that fucking 20 EMA crossed above the 200 EMA. So honestly, I don't even think we gon', I don't know, it's tricky. It's real tricky right now. Shit, we probably gonna be bullish for another 30 minutes or so. There might be a surprise flush. What will make you think that, V? Did the volume spike on the last 15-minute candle? Let me see how it's looking on the 5. Yeah, we are seeing a decrease in volume. Okay. Yeah, it should be pretty crazy. I just went ahead and cost average down. If it's gonna flush, it's gonna flush. I brought myself down from 92 cents with one contract to 51 cents with 2 contracts. So if we can get a little flusher right here off this 4-hour 200 EMA rejection, that might be enough to put me back in the game. You heard me? So far, so good. So far, so good. Come on, flush for your boy. Can we get that flush one time? Come on and flush. Can we get that flush, please? Come on. Let's get it, let's get it. Got everybody in these calls. Go ahead, smart money. Do your shit. Do what you normally do. Manipulate. Manipulate. Shit. We got 10 seconds. Come on. You're going to see some power punches right here. Come on, Bears. Sock him in the mouth, Bears. Come on. Fufaka, Fufine. Let's do it. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah. In our direction a little bit. It's going. I'm glad I cost average down, too. That's going to give me a fighting chance at getting my bread back. Come on. Come on, Cletus. Come on. Come on, Lee. Come on. Big K said it's about to run to the downside. I hope so. Come on and flush. Go ahead and come back. Baby, come back. Here it comes, V. It's finna flush for us. Go ahead and do it. I gotta draw this trend line. Once we break this, we need to break this trend line to the downside. Right now, we don't have enough volume. It's looking like a pullback. Yeah, that's 685. Yeah, it ain't got no volume to support the reversal. Shit. I done already cost average down. I need to drop to the 2 real quick. Making room for the top to go higher. Probably. But I'm hoping for a flush though. It could still flush. Come on, come on, come on. Dump, 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 dump. And my baby didn't woke up. Dang, we didn't get nowhere on this fucking candle. A little ass doji. Shit. Yep. That mug is holding. Uh-oh. Here come that flush, y'all. They trying to do it. Come on, we getting closer to that 685. Come on, do it. I think I might stay in a little longer. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. My baby woke. Hold on. And it's still going downhill. Yeah, here come the flush. Hold on. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Hold on. My baby gotta wait a few seconds. Hold on. Hold on. It's coming down. We broke that 685. What was y'all saying? What was y'all saying in the chat? Huh? What was y'all saying? That 685 was gonna be hard to break? We broke that bitch though. You know what I'm saying? With a nice move too though. You know what I'm saying? And we got volume behind it. Yeah. All right, now I can come back. I feel like we on a dumper scene. Let me see what we do with this 20 EMA on the 2 minute though. Come on. I need this. Need this right now. Flush for us. I'll be right back. What was you saying, Big K? You said it was just a pullback? I don't know. We got action. And I'm back, y'all. Damn, my contract still at 12 cents? Weak ass shit. Come on. Yeah. How you doing, pretty girl? Damn. Oh. Now it's trying to fucking bounce off the 20 EMA on the 2 minute. Let me switch to the 5 real quick. Yeah, on the 5, it's trying to respect that trend line, the 5 minute trend line. It don't have a lot of volume either. Damn. Damn it. Come on. If we can make something happen right here on this 2 minute, we needed to break this 20 EMA and it's respecting it. Come on. Come on, let's get a flush. I know it ain't trendy, but shit. Let's make something happen. Yeah, I need a big move. Like, cause my shit ain't going nowhere. It came back down from 686.31 all the way to 684.50, and my contract price still the same. That's why people love futures, cause they be whooping us with these algorithms on these options. Cause how my shit move a whole dollar, and I still don't. The share price moved the dollar, but my fucking contract ain't moved the dollar. Shit crazy. Uh, 28 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Come on. This is for the end with another doji. That's cool. Give us 2 dojis back to back on the 2. And then give us a dumperson on the next one. You say, yeah, that's way. I'm in a 675 put. You in a 674? Yeah, I'm in a 675, brother. I only had $100 when I re-entered. That's all I could afford. But it's for the flush though. V, watch this. Watch this dumperson right here. On my mama, it's for the dump. Watch this. Watch this. They don't believe it. They don't believe it. Let me show you something. Come on. The levee about to break. I'm talking about the flood finna open up right now. Doom. I hear you. Let me I gotta see what this last little 2 minute candle do right here. Here it comes. Radio Titan. We broke the 20 EMA on the 2. Ooh, it's squabbling right here. It's squabbling though. Nice work, Alex. Nice work. I literally gotta walk out the door like I probably got like 5 minutes and we broke it. We broke the 20 EMA. We broke the trend line. Yeah. I thought I heard him say something. Yeah, now my contract moving. It's moving now. Yeah. Here come the dump. Yeah, and the volume just picked up. We got more volume than the last 6 2-minute candles, 8 2-minute candles. Yeah. Yeah, it's not for play. It's not for play. This is a reversal. Just like we thought it would. Right off that 200 EMA on the 4 hour. It could not break that 200 EMA. That's the equator. You feel me? So we going back down to the downside. So just like y'all was telling me to get out of my put, y'all better get out of them calls. Y'all better get out of them calls too. You know what I'm saying? We retesting the 20 EMA we just broke. Oh, my implied volatility on my contracts. Hold on. I got the 675 put. I don't really pay attention to that implied volatility. I took it off my chart. Hold on, I would have to actually put it back. Implied volatility. IV. I don't even see it. Oh, that's implied value. What's that? Implied volatility. The implied volatility is 32.46%. Or is that implied value or volatility? Yeah, it's 32.34% on my contract. Who asked that? J. Cole. Yes, it's 32%. I don't even know what that means. Keep it real with you. That's why I took it off my column. It's like I don't even pay attention to that. I just kind of go off the deltas. I'll be trying to get the best delta I can get for real. Like a 40 or not the best. I ain't trying to buy no 97 delta. But I pay for like a 40 or 50 delta, maybe a 60 delta. Depends. But we're getting some resistance support. I mean, we got support at 684. You said it's the strongest one to break, which is 684, that level. And it's finna go back up, y'all. It's looking like it wanna go back up. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I just set my stop tight at 10 cent. I just gotta take my L for the day. Let me see what we looking like on the 15. I just got stopped out, y'all. I didn't wanna stay in that motherfucker no longer. Plus I gotta go to work. I lost 76 bucks today, motherfucker, 32%, which pushed me back down to 157. I am down on the challenge now. I'm not ahead anymore. Damn, I was up by 6 days at one point. I'm back down to 157, so that pushed me back to in between day 4 and day 5 when I'm really on day 9. So now, shit, I'm behind 4 days. Shit. I'm behind 4 days, man. Shit. That was a nice pullback, but it wasn't enough. It wasn't nearly enough for me. Let me check on my swing trades real quick. Okay, so I'm still up 19 bucks on my SoFi, which is about 12%. I'm up 9 bucks on my Lyft, which is 3.6%, and I'm down $1 on my QUBT. But I got all 3 of these until next year, so I'm not worried about them. They gonna do what they do. My SoFi joint looking good. QUBT, I'm only down $1. And the Lyft joint, it's looking decent. But yeah, today a short day, y'all. I gotta check out, and y'all do your thing. Spade, you still here? Guess not. All right, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all tomorrow. Y'all be easy, and tomorrow gonna be a better day for sure. All right, y'all. I'm gone. Close that. Down.